Hello everyone and welcome to your 11th Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, previewing and editing clips part 2. In this tutorial, we will learn more in detail on how to use all the tools of the source window and how to cut and edit a clip and how to add it to a sequence. Let's start. First of all, in order to see clearly and know what we are doing, I will just expand this window. As to navigate, we will learn how to cut and edit the clip that we need into our sequence. So let's start off. If we see right over here in this video, let's just watch it at once, because we need to watch and assess the video in order to know which part to cut and which part to not to cut. So we will just quickly view the video once. As you can see in this video, there is a person walking on the stage here and there, but what is disturbing is that in the starting of the video, all the part here was useless. Now all the part here is useless and we don't need it until the part where the music starts. So let's find the part at just where the music starts. Right there, the music starts right there, so we will just move a little back. All right, so the first 10 seconds of the video are useless. We don't need those first 10 seconds, and then video of after the first 10 seconds to the last, we need that. So in order to do that, what we have to do is, from the place where we want the video, or the starting of the place where we want the video from, we just have to click the button set in point or the keyboard shortcut I over here, left click it once, and that in point gives us from where to start taking in the clip. Now since we want all of the clip, we will just move the CTI to the last, just after it becomes black right over here. We will set the out point. Now since the in and out points are now set, we will insert the clip into the sequence by pressing insert button over here. Get the current time indicator to the first frame, click the insert, and as you can see, the clip has been inserted in our sequence, and on the right you can see its preview. Okay guys, so that's it for this tutorial. We will learn more in the later tutorials. Thank you for watching.